Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome to my channel. Happy November! I can't believe it's November already. So whether you're new or returning, I just want to welcome you and thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you stick around. Today I have a Fashom box to share with you. So I'll just tell you a little bit about Fashom quickly. Fashom is a style service that it's not a subscription service. You kind of do it on demand. And basically, after you fill out a style profile, they send you a list of, I believe it's 5 to 7 items. Maybe it's more than that. I think it's more than that. And then you pick 5 items. You used to be able to pick 7. That's where I'm getting that number from. So you used to be able to pick 5 to 7 items from what they send you for your preview. But I only got to pick 5 this time. So I think they're kind of changing up how they do it. And then you can either approve them or you can say, oh, they're not really for me. So the stylist will send you more options. And this is my second box. My first box, I kept 1 item, which I feel like any box that you can keep 1 item is a good box if you're keeping something. So I'm excited to see what's in this box. I believe from what I remember, it's all tops. Fashom does take a little bit longer. And I also, with this box, the first selection I wasn't crazy about because I felt like the items really weren't my style. And I kind of contemplated because it's hard to tell over the app what things really look like. So I did ask for some more options and they did send them to me. And I really think they were all tops from what I remember. So anyway, I think your first 2 months are free for your styling fee. And one thing that I really like about Fashom is that you get a 25% off discount if you keep just 3 items. So I love that because with a lot of the other subscription services, you have to keep 5 or more items to enjoy that discount. But anyway, let's get to see what's in my box and we'll try things on. Like the other boxes, shipping is free both ways. And Fashom, I believe they use the post office. So anything you don't want just goes in here and you drop it off at the post office. So it's really easy. And then I think this changed. An envelope that says hello beautiful. I don't remember this, but it's been a couple months because I think my first box was in like August. So I don't really remember. And then looks like some paperwork. My invoice, the prices don't look bad at all, you guys, so I'm so excited about that. And then it gives you a description, a list of what to do once you're done. So I didn't even look at my items to see what, if I remember. They come wrapped with a little logo, really cute. All right, so here is, this is a top by Skies Are Blue. And I'll do the prices, I guess, when I do the try-on. So it's really pretty, kind of like, I'm not sure if it's going to come across on camera, but kind of this, I want to say evergreen color. Really pretty. So the front, as you can see, has the tie right there. And then on the sleeves, like on the top, it's kind of, it has this lace detail. It's really pretty. And then each sleeve has the elastic on them. The top seems like it's going to be a little bit short for my liking, but you never know until you try it on. I like that color. It's really pretty. I don't own anything in that color, I don't think, so that's nice. I like getting things that are different. Okay, this is also by Skies Are Blue, and there's no other description on here. It's probably on this sheet, which I'll go over after. So it's this pretty floral blouse. So I believe it's black with pink, the pink floral print. And the sleeves are bell sleeves, so those are kind of cute. I like that. And it's kind of a layered bell sleeve look. Pretty. This is also, got a lot of Skies Are Blue. Now, I don't own any of that brand either. So this is a sweater. And the front of the sweater has these, it's kind of like a mesh material here. It's layered. So that's different. Kind of like that. These tops are on the shorter side, but that's okay. I don't have to have all of my tops super long. We'll see how they look on. All right, and this is by Zenobia. I've never heard of that brand before. I've heard of the Skies Are Blue, but not Zenobia. And it looks like it's olive green. I think it's a tank. Maybe yeah, it's a tank, I guess I'd call it. The only thing in the back, it has this big hole, like kind of keyhole type of look. So this could be a good layering piece. And then lastly, this is also by Zenobia. And, oops, sorry. I think it's a short sleeve top. Yep. And it looks like it's kind of cinched in on each side. And then the back also has the keyhole here. So those are my 5 items. I did get all tops. I don't remember seeing these, but it was like 2 weeks ago. So I do remember a couple of them. But anyway, I'm really excited to try everything on, and I'll be right back to show you what it looks like. All right, I'm back with the first top by Skies Are Blue, and they're calling this a 3/4 sleeve embroidered top in teal, which it's not really, to me, a teal color. It's probably coming across the camera as more of that, but in person it really does look more like an evergreen. Maybe it's not evergreen, but it's really this like deep green color. It's $44, and I really do love the color of this top. So I'm closer so you can see here in the front, it's got the tie detail, which not bad. And I also, one of the things I really like about this top is you can see here this really pretty lace, and it's on both sides of the sleeves. I think that's such a pretty detail. I'll back up so you can see the shirt, the whole entire shirt that I just have it on with some jeans that I got. The length's not bad. I don't mind the length. I just don't know about the sleeves. The bell sleeve, I think these aren't bell sleeves. What are they calling these? Balloon sleeves. Balloon sleeves, that's what they're called. So I don't know. What do you think about it? I love the lace detail. I think it's so pretty, and I don't own anything in this color, so I really like it. So the only thing I'm questioning with this top really is this tie here, which I kind of like. It's not bad, but the sleeves. How do the sleeves look on me? I know the top's wrinkled, but obviously if I kept it, I would iron it and see how it looks. But I don't know. What do you think? Let me know. I'm going to put on the next top, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back with another top by Skies Are Blue, and they're calling this the Bell Floral 3/4 length sleeve top, and it's also $44, and it's black with the pink floral print. So I did put it on with a necklace that I already have, just because I'd probably pair it this way. And this top has the V-neck, and it's got the bell sleeves. I'll come a little bit closer so you can see where it's kind of got that double layer bell sleeves, which is kind of cute. And then I'll back up so you can see. I did switch my pants for this one. I felt like this looks better with, I put on a pair of black pants because I would probably wear this top to work with black pants. And I wear it probably with this necklace because I feel like the necklace kind of pulls it all together. So I do like this top. The only thing that I'm not sure about, I don't know, I love the bell sleeves. I think they're really pretty, and I like that look, kind of like that style of it for a top, and I don't own many tops that have bell sleeves, but I don't know if it's too much with the floral. I think there's something about the floral that's throwing me off, but maybe it's just me. I'm gonna watch back, because sometimes watching the videos back helps me decide, but I also want to hear from you to hear what you think about this top. All right, so I have 3 more tops to show you. I'll be right back with the next one. All right, I'm back with the last Skies Are Blue top. And this top is, they're calling this the lace overlay sweater. It's gray, and it's $44. So not bad. I just don't know that I'm in love with it, and it's not something I really need. I'm gonna back up so you can see the bottom has that lace. Well, the whole front of the top has that mesh kind of layer with the lace, but the bottom part kind of, you can see, overlaps it a little bit, if that's showing. I'm not sure if it is. But anyway, the sleeves are kind of weird to me because look at the arms. I don't know, it's not like a full length sleeve, and I'm short, so maybe it's meant to be 3/4 length sleeves and it's just not on me. I don't know. So it's not bad. I like it, but I'm not in love with it. And so for $44, I'm probably not gonna keep this one. And it's hot. It's a really hot sweater. Like I'm getting warm just trying it on, and I haven't had it on for that long. And I tend to always be on the warmer side, so I don't know how much use I'd get out of it even when it does get really cold here. But anyway, it's cute, and I think for the right person, it would look really nice on them. Because I do think that this lace, I'll come closer so you can see the detail of the front of the sweater, because I do think it's a really pretty feature. So if this is your style, and if you like warm, thick, like it's not too thick, but it's just a very warm sweater, this might be a sweater for you. But let me know what you think about it. All right, I have 2 more tops to try on, and those are the short sleeve tops, so I'll probably pair them with a cardigan to see how it looks, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back with the first top by Zenobla, and this is the one that's in the olive color, and it's only $24, so it's not a bad price at all. I do love that about Fashom. I feel like their price points are so great, so that's one thing that I really do appreciate about them. But anyway, about the top. Neckline, great. So this is really cute, a really cute detail here too. On each of the top, like the shoulder part of this top has the kind of like a roll tab button detail, as you can see on both sides. I like that. And the only thing is with this top is that if I kept it, I'd need to go up a size because it's a little snug, and I just don't really feel like I'd get much use out of it at this, you know, if it didn't fit me right? But anyway, I'm just gonna grab a cardigan that I pulled, because I think I'd probably wear it, especially this time of year, with a cardigan. And I just threw on a necklace because I feel like when I wear cardigans, I like to pair it with longer necklaces. So it's like a kind of an oatmeal color cardigan. I haven't worn it yet, so yep, I still have the tag on it. Or like a kind of a light tan color. So I'd probably wear it with this, and I kind of like it. So I might see if they have a size up in this available for me, because it's a really pretty color. I love olive green, and I'd probably get a lot of use of it for under cardigans like this, especially this time of year, and maybe even next year. I'm thinking when it's summer going into fall and you want to wear those fall colors, but it's not that cool out yet, so you still need something for the weather. I'm thinking this might be a great top for that. Always thinking ahead. But anyway, so yeah, I might keep this one because I can see myself wearing it, but I do, like I said, want to go up a size. So I think I'm going to see if they have one available. All right, I have one more top to try on, and then we'll do a quick recap. All right, I'm back with my last top by Zenobla, and it's the burgundy top. It's only $22. What a great price, right? You can't beat it. I love the color, but there's something about this brand I gotta size up because it's just not fitting me right. And I don't know that I like the material of this top. It's not really a polyester. I didn't look, so I apologize that I didn't look to tell you, but on the recap, I'll tell you. I'm not crazy about it. It's not too comfortable. On each side, it's not really coming across on camera, so I apologize that you can't see it, but it just kind of cinch in at the waist. So I don't know, I'm not really too crazy about it, but I'm gonna grab the sweater again just to kind of see, because like I said, it's fall, so I most likely pair it with a sweater like this. Maybe not this color for this one, but I don't know. I do like the color a lot. I think it's really pretty. I don't know, you guys, but if you watched my Nadine West bag that I just got, I got a burgundy top pretty similar to this color. I think I'm keeping that one. So this one might go back, although this one I think might be a better price. So I might see if I can size up in this and keep this one. So we'll see. But I don't know. Tell me what you think, all right? I need some help with this one because some of the items I like and some of them I'm on the fence about. So your comments always kind of help me to decide. Anyway, I'll be right back and we'll do a quick recap. All right, I'm back for my recap. I'm gonna go from my last item that I tried on back to the first. The last item that I tried on was by Zenobla, or Zenobia. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong, but I can't really tell from the tag. I did try to find out what the material was, but it doesn't say it on the tags. But what I did see was that it's hand wash only, and I think that's what's gonna make me not keep this top. Although, if I tried to size up, it is a pretty color and a pretty top, so it's just a hand wash thing. I think I'd rather keep the other top from my Nadine West that I got in that color. So, oh, I don't know. So I think this one might be the same thing because it's the same brand, and it kind of feels like a similar material, but let me see if this one has it. The tags are, whoops, this one. Okay, this is 100% polyester. That one's definitely not 100% polyester, I can tell you that. And this one I can put in the washing machine. So I might keep this one. I do like the color, and I do like that button, the tab detail on the top. Whoops, you can't see it, sorry. With the gold buttons, I think it's really pretty. So this is a contender. The middle one that I tried on was the gray top. This one I'm definitely not gonna keep. This is one of the Skies Are Blue tops. It is really pretty. I like the front with the kind of that detail, the mesh detail with the embroidery, but I was getting warm in it, and I don't know how much use I'd get out of it, so I'm gonna send this back. But if you like it, I think it's so cute. So try Fashom and see if, you know, they'll send it to you. Then the other top I had from Skies Are Blue was this pretty black floral top. I'm still on the fence about this one too. I need your help. Did you like it? $44. And then lastly was the first top I tried on was this. They're calling it teal, but like I said, in person it looks more of like that, one of those deep green colors. I might keep this. Let me know what you think. If I kept everything, which I'm not, the subtotal is $178, and 3 items or more you get the discount, taking $44.50 off. So it would be $133.50. Not bad for 5 tops. Really not. I'd be okay paying that, but I'm not keeping the gray one, so I'd have to recalculate and see what it would be if I kept like just 3. If I'm thinking right now, if I keep 3, it would be what they're calling the teal, the floral, and then the olive top. So let me know what you think. Should I keep all of those 3 tops? Am I off on my thoughts? I look forward to hearing your comments. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for spending some time with me today. I hope that you're enjoying your day, and I will see you soon.